turn signal was blinking twice as fast, indicating a burnt out bulb. I think we have a little bit of a problem here. Oh yeah, when water gets on that bulb, it's just going to burn it out again. You shouldn't be able to reach through the side like this. So let's replace this headlight unit today. Oh look, another light bulb. This bulb is a headlight bulb. Undo this bulb right here. How did we end up with this one wire twisted through the middle of that? Looks like the anchor point was broken out of the car. I'm supposed to be able to pull this up, have it release. I might be able to squeeze this out of here a little bit. Well, that kind of released it. This is all broken up from the accident. There's a little clip in the top of there you're supposed to release, and then it slides up like that. Let's pull out this headlight mount so that we can glue it back together. A couple extra pieces, well not extra, but broken pieces. We'll have to figure out where they go. I just need to tack this in place so that it stays together while I'm working on it. Alright, this is just a piece of the whole thing that goes all the way across because it got busted out in the accident. So I melted the plastic back together best I could, and let's install this back in here. So I'll try and line these up and do the lights first. New light. I actually had one. A little bit of anti-corrosion grease for the light bulb. Oh, broken plastic from the old light bulb, or the old housing, is why it won't go in. There we go. Had to reroute the wires. I had to have these come through the right holes so that this would mount up. Let's see if this will lock in. There we go. Locked in. Now the headlight is a little more firm in there. You can't just go and pop it out. So I'll probably wait till tonight to aim this. We'll just fasten that in there. Maybe another one